Yeah. Yeah, it's a fascinating place that Jackie's introduced me to.
Oh, must be by there now.
There's the road in and out. And yeah, this is
called Tea
the Teacock
Inn.
Inn, just near Morpeth Neff in there. And we've just learned that they do live music of all flavours. A reggae Wednesday. There's this folk music by the look of it. So it's all there for all you aspiring party goers. Me and Jackie included. And we'll be coming here in the summer to see what it's all about, won't Jack?
They got a massive bird on top of that house. Like it must be an ornament or something.
Yeah. Oh, look at that. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, it couldn't be a real bird of that size, could it? No, it's getting blurred now. But yeah, it's a hell of a sized bird, that. Bloody hell. That's what you call a big bird. Oh no, what have I done to my lens then?
Big bird.
Okay, we'll sign off. Take it easy. Peace and love. How are you, Jack? Hey, aren't you?